Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Atif Rehman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. Today, by popular demand, inshallah, we'll be learning how to make Punjabi Gur Halwa. Balle balle. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Alright, so for the ingredients, I have taken half kg of gur, also known as jaggery. As you can see, it looks so nice, very fresh, and it tastes very delicious. Half kg of sooji, also known as semolina, soaked in water for about an hour and a half. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of oil, and about cardamom seeds of 3 to 4 or 5 cardamoms. Now let us move to the next step. Now for the first step, I will put the gur into the pan. Now you can actually crush all of this as well, but even just putting it as is, that's fine too, because once we put the water on it and put the burner into medium setting, in about 10 to 15 minutes it should all melt on its own. So now we'll just add the water, and now just give it about 10 to 15 minutes and you should see it start melting. Alright, so we are just about halfway for the gur to be melted. So just another few minutes and we should be good to go. Alright, so now as you can see, the gur is nice and melted. This is how it should look like. Now just add the cardamom seeds and the oil. And then just in about a minute or so, we will add the sooji into the pan. Alright, and now we're just gonna start adding the sooji. So after soaking it in the water, this is how it should look like. You will need to keep on mixing it. It's a little bit of a tough process, but so just put your full energy into this. Alright, so I'm just getting my mom to help me with this because this is her special recipe in the mixing process. So just mix it like so, as you see it, because this is the main part in the entire dish. If it's not mixed properly, then it will not taste as good as it's supposed to. It will not have the Punjab authenticity. Alright, so the mixing process is about finished now. It took about 5 minutes and it should look like this. Now we will just turn off the burners and set it aside for an hour, and then after that we'll put it on the burner again for another 5 to 10 minutes. Alright viewers, so the hour has passed. We put it back on the burner and put it on the medium flame, and so now we're just going to keep on mixing this in this manner. As you can see, in this manner we're going to keep on mixing it until it starts making shape like this. As you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. And then we'll just add some coconut in it to just add the extra taste, and then keep on doing so. This mixing process you'll have to keep on continuing for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright viewers, so now this is the final product. In the end, this is how it should look like. So keep mixing your halwa until you see this shape at the end. Once you do see it, know that it's ready, it's done, and you can start eating it. Share it with everyone you know, and then you can also just garnish it with some pistachio. And some almonds. And here you go, your delicious Punjab style Gur Halwa. Please try this recipe out, share it with your friends and family. If you do, please leave a comment below. Until we see you again, take care. Assalamu alaikum.